In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect OpenAI ChatGPT-4 with Notion step by step. This setup is incredibly useful if you want to bring AI-powered writing, summaries, task automation, or knowledge management directly into your Notion workspace. Whether you're a student, creator, or professional, this integration can seriously boost your productivity. We'll walk through the entire process from inside Notion, and by the end of this video, you'll have ChatGPT connected and ready to use. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account. Once you're inside Notion, look toward the top of the screen and find your account icon or profile arrow. Go ahead and click on that account arrow to open the main account menu. This is where Notion keeps all of your workspace level controls and settings, including integrations and connections. After opening the account menu, the next step is to click on Settings. This will take you into Notion's Settings panel, where you can manage preferences, security options, billing, and most importantly for this tutorial, connections to external tools and services. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one. Once you're inside the Settings area, look through the sidebar and click on Connections. The Connections section is where Notion allows you to link third-party tools, APIs, and services that extend Notion's functionality. This is the key area that allows ChatGPT-4 to communicate directly with your Notion workspace. Inside the Connections page, scroll through the available options until you find Notion MCP. This stands for Notion Model Context Protocol, which enables AI tools like ChatGPT to securely interact with your Notion content. Click on Notion MCP to open its connection options and details. Now comes the most important step. Within the Notion MCP section, look for the option labeled ChatGPT Connect. Click on ChatGPT Connect to begin linking OpenAI ChatGPT-4 with your Notion account. At this stage, Notion may prompt you to confirm permissions. Carefully review what access is being requested, so you understand how ChatGPT will interact with your pages, databases, or content. Once you're comfortable, approve the connection. After confirming, the connection process will complete automatically. Your Notion workspace is now successfully connected with OpenAI ChatGPT-4. From here, you can start using AI-powered features to generate content, summarize notes, brainstorm ideas, or enhance workflows directly inside Notion. That's it. You've now learned how to connect OpenAI ChatGPT-4 with Notion in just a few simple steps. This integration can save you hours of work and completely transform how you use Notion every day. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.